shadowed boughs of Woodsong, where ancient mounds rise from the mist. The dead lie dreaming, undisturbed, or so it was before the war. Now elven banners stain the dawn, and dwarven drums shake the earth, while graveyards weep in silence, and memory is trampled underfoot. But in the hush between thunder and blade, a figure stands, neither foe nor friend. The Gravekeeper, sworn to the peace of the dead. In the vale where the black oak towers, elven arrows darken the sky. Dwarven axes bite the roots, and the earth is torn with every cry. Funeral mounds, once hallowed ground, are churned by iron and flame. The names of the lost are scattered, and none remember whence they came. I am the watcher at the mound, neither kin nor king to the living. I raise the dead, not for conquest, but to guard the peace worth giving. Let bone lanterns burn in the darkness, let silver spades rest in the sod. I am the Gravekeeper, neutral and bound by the silent oaths of God. From the shadowed crypts and hollow stones, the dead rise at my command, not to march for elven pride, nor to claim the dwarven land. Skeletons form the silent shield, zombies bear the ancient spears. Bile-gnawn and crypt servants stand, guardians of forgotten years. I am the watcher at the mound, neither kin nor king to the living. I raise the dead, not for conquest, but to guard the peace worth giving. Let bone lanterns burn in the darkness, let silver spades rest in the sod. I am the Gravekeeper, neutral and bound by the silent oaths of God. Elven king with emerald crown, dwarven lord with beard of stone, each demands the right to rule, each claims the land as his own. But when the dead rise from the earth, and the mounds awaken with song, both armies falter, swords held low, for the past is vast and the dead are strong. Beneath the moon's pale vigil, ancestral voices call. Remember the price of memory, remember the cost of all. The living forget, the dead forgive, but only if peace is restored. Swear by the black oak shadow, swear by the ancient word. I speak not as master or tyrant, but as servant to the shade. Let the elves recall their mother's songs, let the dwarves remember the blade. Lay down your arms upon the mound, let silence heal the scar. For every grave is a kingdom lost, and every war The Elven king laid down his crown. The Dwarven king found release. The Necromancer walks the silent fields, his oath a whispered prayer to guard the sleep of the ancient